next week we're going to be using the My Maths website for maths teaching, just so that you have a bit of change from me teaching you just for the week. I've made this short clip just to explain how to log on and use My Maths in case you've forgotten or in case you didn't use it before. I have sent your passwords, all of the login passwords, to Google Classroom, and they will appear on Monday. So the first thing you need to do when you go to the My Maths, which is mymaths.co.uk, you need to log in, and it will ask for your school username and password. This is in the document I sent to Google Classroom, so you don't have to remember it. And then you just press login. When you get to this screen, you need to go to My Portal username. Now I've invented a fictitious member of Year 6 for this called Bob Smith. So his username is 550 and I couldn't possibly tell you his password. Okay, now he has come straight onto his homework page, which will show the activity that I've set for you. So we've got two activities here. Let's have a look at this one. And you have two choices. Start homework, try the lesson. There is a message from me here and it says, please complete the lesson activities before you try the homework task. That is very important because actually there's a lot more teaching in the lesson and you will really benefit from working through the slides. It's not just about being able to do the homework, it's to have a much deeper understanding of the topic that you're doing that day. So, try the lesson and you'll come on to a title page like this, and you start right up at the top. What is a pictogram? And this one says, the children in Volcano class were asked the question, what is your favourite pet? Now, down the bottom here, you've got the little next button. So you click on that. Each child drew a circle in a chart to show their favourite pet. And as you work through, you'll have teaching. And you can see down the side, this little circle is moving down. It will tell you when it gets to the bottom, you've completed section 1. There are lots of activities for you to take part in throughout the teaching video. So that's why it's very important that you do try it. Keep clicking next, doing the activities. And eventually, let's have how many children chose cat? Lovely. We've still got a next button here. How many children chose fish? 2. We've got another next button and got some more explanations. As long as there's a next button at the bottom, you keep pressing it. Okay, you're still working through section 1. There's a lot of teaching on this one. Now, I finally got to this slide. There is no next button, so that means I now go up to the next section. So I click on the 2 and we start all over again with the next button. Now, when you finish the lesson, you will need to go back to your sign-in slide and you can start your homework, which will be 1 or 2 questions on the side. It will mark it as you go along. You will be able to see your progress. If you've done very well, that's great. It shows you've understood the topic. If you've got quite a lot of these answers incorrect, it's probably best if you go back and try the lesson again to see where you've gone wrong maybe, and to help your understanding. And finally, when you have finished your homework task, I'll just pretend we've done this one and this one. You can close your homework there, and then I can log on to My Maths and I can see which activities you've done and any progress that you're making. So good luck with this. It's just a little bit of a different way for maths this week, just to ring the changes.